Great. Another boring day at school. I wish I could just stay at home. I'd need to find an idea to get out of here. Wait, I know. I will pull the fire alarm at my school, and I will just get out of here. This is going to be great.
Hey, Caillou. What were you just talking about?
Oh, it was just nothing, Leo. I was just having a chit-chat with myself.
Okay then. Class is about to start in 1 minute, so you better come.
Phew, that was a close one. If Leo knew that I would pull the fire alarm to the school, then he would tell Miss Martin or Principal Clementine, and get me in trouble. I should go to my class now.
Good morning, class. I hope you all had a nice day yesterday. Anyways, all of you take out your math textbook and open page 60. Today we are going to start fractions.
Miss Martin, can I go to the restroom, please?
The class just started, Caillou. You could have gone before that, but you can go. But don't do anything stupid, because last time, when you asked me to use the restroom, you just skipped school to go to Chuck E. Cheese's.
I know, but it's an emergency this time. I won't do anything bad, so can I please go?
Okay. Just go now.
Good. Nobody is here. Now I can pull the fire alarm. Man, I have been walking for so long, and I still haven't found the fire alarm. There it is. I was looking for it so long. Time to pull it, and get out of this boring place. Okay, now let's pull this bad boy. And after that I am going to hide inside the restroom, till the crowd goes away. Duh. Why is the door locked?
Class, the fire alarm went off. That means there is fire. Let's evacuate now.
Come on. Open up. Open up.
Excuse me. Caillou. What are you doing here? Didn't you heard the fire alarm?
I was about to use the restroom, but the door was locked, so I was trying to open it.
There is a fire at school. Come outside. It's very dangerous. Wait a second. The fire alarm is just right there. Did you pull it on purpose?
No, I didn't do it. I did not even saw the alarm.
I know that you are hiding something. Tell me the truth right now, or else there will be consequences.
Okay, fine. I actually pulled the fire alarm on purpose, because I wanted to get away from here. I am very sorry.
Oh. Caillou. How dare you pull the fire alarm on purpose? You know that is illegal. That's it. I am taking you to the principal.
Caillou, We are very disappointed in you that you pulled the fire alarm at your school just to get away from there.
But Mom, it was getting boring at school, so I just decided to pull the alarm to get out of there.
But that is illegal. You are never supposed to pull the fire alarm without a fire. That's it. You are grounded for 3 weeks. Go to your room right now.
I hope you enjoyed and liked watching my video. Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below what other episodes I should make. I am gonna end the video here. Goodbye and I will see you in the next video.